least in heaven I can skate.
Two for two! Two for two! Alright, so I landed a really sketchy kickflip nose slide, but it's my first time doing it on the high ledge, and I feel like I could probably get better at it. By accident, I landed a kickflip crook 180 out, really sketchy, but still, it's like a process. If I can do kickflip nose, then I can do kickflip crook, and if I'm getting into it by accident, then I know I could probably do it eventually really good. Just gotta practice, practice, practice. Anyways, you'll know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.